Guys, so for today's look, we are going to start off by applying this NYX Jumbo Pencil to the lid, and it is in the shade 627 Cobalt. And I'm just gonna take it and apply it like I said. And my lid has already been primed with a Smashbox primer before I did this, so just FYI. And then I'm gonna take this lip brush. Well, actually, I'm gonna add more of this first, and just yeah, it looks messy, but we're gonna use the lip brush to um, fix that. So I'm gonna take that brush and I'm gonna spread that evenly. And I haven't used this Gemo pens in a while. That's why it looks a little like clumpy, but it works out at the end anyway. Because with the brush, I spread it out evenly. So I'm just gonna do that. And to be honest, when I started this video, I wasn't sure exactly what I was gonna do. I just felt like doing my makeup, so this is what I came up with today. So just gonna continue doing that here, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I edited some of it because I did take a while to do this, so I didn't want to bore you guys. So, okay, now I'm gonna take this blue shimmery color also. And this color I got it in a holiday set. My sister gave it to me from Sephora. I'm gonna take this flat brush and I'm just gonna use it to set that jumbo pencil. And there's my compact. That's all we're doing here. It's pretty much the same shade as the jumbo pencil, but I'm just, like I said, setting it with that color. And you can probably hear the TV in the background. Let me lower that a little bit. So we're going to keep doing that. And the same thing on the other side. Just pack on the color. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a Sephora palette. You guys can read that because I don't want to mess up the name. And I'm going to go in with this like mint matte shade using this fluffy brush. And that brush I believe is from Icing or one of those stores. It's a little cheap brush, but I use it a lot. And I'm gonna apply that color on top of that blue that we just did. And the reason why I'm putting this lighter blue is because I thought about doing like a, you'll see in the video that I'm gonna use the black shade, but I wanted to set a lighter color first, so to help blend that dark color that I'm gonna use. You'll see right now. And I'm just gonna put a lot of that blue, just swipe back and forth, back and forth. So you see, and it goes it goes pretty high up. You'll see right now. So I just kept adding that there. Excuse me. And it doesn't really what's the word I'm looking for? Like, as you can see, it doesn't really connect with the darker color, but that's okay because we're gonna fill it in. And then I've already done it to the other side, and now using this little flat brush, I'm gonna take this like creamy shimmery color from the same palette, from the Sephora palette, and I'm gonna add it right under my eyebrow for a highlight. And blend it into that mint shade. And we're doing we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Now there is the 120 color eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to go in with this black shade, and I'm going to take a little round, this is supposed to be like a concealer brush, but I use it for this, so it's just like a little round brush, and I'm going to add that color right there, and I'm going to blend it into the mint blue. Okay, add some more. Okay, and this color it was very I found it pretty easy to blend. As you could see, it doesn't really leave like a really harsh line. It blends nicely into that mint shade. And now that I started making these videos, I find that I'm actually using like some products that I had forgotten about, or they're just in my makeup bag without being used, like the NYX Jumbo pencils. I hadn't used them in a long time, so I'm kind of glad that I'm getting more use out of them. So, and I hope you guys are enjoying the videos because I'm having fun making them. And there I'm going back in with the mint shade just to help blend that black color out. And I'm going to I don't know, I might link my Instagram down below so that you guys can go see the pictures of the looks that I've done, and I'm gonna link the YouTube video to the Instagram, so I need to work on that, but just FYI. So okay, now I'm just gonna use the Wet n Wild waterproof liner. And if you've seen my other videos, this is what I always use. So, and I'm really sorry about the bad angle. I know that I'm not really in frame for most of this part right now. You'll see right now. But I do have a video up of how I do my winged eyeliner, so you can go check that out. Oh well, I'm sleepy. Sorry. So there's the eyeliner. Then we're gonna do the wing. You see how I'm not really in the frame. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I'm gonna take the dark blue, and I'm gonna apply it to the outer corner of my eye, the bottom. And I'm gonna do the same thing on both sides. And then here I'm just adding, it's like a silver shimmery color in the inner corner. And then I'm going to add the eyeliner on my waterline, and then the mascara. And that's it. That's all you gotta do for this look. And there I smeared some mascara there. And that is the final product. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you find my videos interesting. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.